How to remove a bot from Discord server. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily remove your bot from Discord server. So as you can see, currently I'm logged into my Discord account, so make sure you do the same. And I also have added a Dino bot on my Discord channel or Discord server. So basically, if I were to remove this, what I'll be doing is simply head over or open your Discord server in which you have installed such option and search bot, and just tap on this drop down menu and simply select server settings from over here, which will take you to this page. And from over here, just scroll all the way down, or under here under the people section you need to click on members section or members option. And once inside here, you can see there will be shown all of the boards which you have added. You should see all of the boards available over here for your members. So I'll just tap on right click on that particular board which I want to remove it. So all you have to do is just click on this kick that particular board name, and you can also give a reason for it just like this, and simply click on kick. So just like that, you have successfully removed any board from your Discord server. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.